Hello, tea enthusiasts. Welcome back to this channel where we explore the wonderful world of wellness. Today we have a truly invigorating topic to discuss: the incredible benefits of herbal teas. First things first, what exactly are herbal teas? Unlike traditional teas that come from the Camellia sinensis plant, herbal teas are a blend of various herbs, flowers, fruits, and spices. They've been used for centuries across different cultures for their therapeutic properties. One of the most significant benefits of herbal teas is their ability to promote relaxation and alleviate stress. Ingredients like chamomile, lavender, and peppermint have calming properties that can help soothe the mind and body after a long day. Herbal teas are a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Ingredients like echinacea, elderberry, and ginger can give your immune system a much-needed boost. Regular consumption may help prevent illnesses and keep your immune defenses strong. Many herbal teas have been known to aid digestion. Peppermint, ginger, and fennel teas, for example, can help alleviate indigestion, bloating, and stomach discomfort. A happy gut is key to overall well-being. For those on a wellness journey, herbal teas can be a fantastic companion. Some herbal teas like green tea and dandelion tea have been associated with metabolism boosting properties, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. Now that we've explored the amazing benefits of herbal teas, why not try creating your own custom blend? Experiment with different herbs, fruits, and spices to tailor a tea that suits your taste and health goals. It's a fun and creative way to enhance your well-being. Start with a base like chamomile or green tea, add in some ginger for a zing, throw in a few dried berries for sweetness, and maybe a hint of mint for freshness. The possibilities are endless, and you'll have a unique personalized tea blend in no time. Just mix your chosen ingredients, steep in hot water, and voila! Your very own custom herbal tea blend is ready to delight your senses and nourish your body. Remember, the joy of herbal teas isn't just in their benefit, but also in the experience of crafting your own brew. Give it a try and share your favorite combinations with us. Happy brewing! Well, there you have it, tea lovers. The incredible benefits of herbal teas extend far beyond their delightful flavors. From relaxation to immunity, digestive health to radiant skin, the world of herbal teas is truly a treasure trove of well-being. So next time you're considering a beverage, why not opt for a cup of herbal tea? Your body and mind will thank you for it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more wellness content, and let us know in the comments which herbal tea is your favorite. Until next time, stay steeped in health and happiness.